Hey YouTubers, got another review for you. This would be great for homesteading, camping, or just anything you need it for. A shed. You could even use it inside if you wanted to and run the cord to the solar panel on the outside. I have an older model, but this is the newer one from Sam's Club. It's supposed to be 2,000 lumens. The old one was only 1,500. I'll show you it real quick. So this was the older model. I've had this for about 3 years. I've used several of them. All of them are still up and running, but we needed a little more brightness in the driveway for when we park a little further away or when guests come over. So we'll unbox the other one now. Okay, so this is what you get. I can get it open. Directions, we don't need those. So it comes with your solar panel, obviously, some screws. I don't know where you'd be putting it in drywall, but if you do, it comes with those. And then here is the light itself. So it's got adjustable wings on it. You can turn those up, down, back and forth. You can also adjust the motion detector. It also has settings on it. So 30, 60, 120. And then there's an on, off, and an auto switch on it as well. So yeah, let me get it set up and we'll see what it looks like at night. Have you used solar lights like this? Let me know in the comments. Here's what it looks like on their website. Quick note on the installation. Make sure this piece, you have this mounted to wherever you want it to go, because it slides back on here like that, which is a little different from the older model. So you want to be able to read it on whatever you're mounting it on, FYI. Another tip here too is don't over tighten your screws, especially if you're putting it on something like a tree like I am, so that way it still slides on and off there somewhat easily. And there you have it installed. It'd be great for campers or anything because of that plate where you can slide it on and off so easy. So if you were wanting to mount this to like a camper or a pop-up anything, you know, you can have that plate screwed on that I just showed you, and you can just slide your light on and off when you got there and just, you know, set your solar panel up wherever it's in the sun and bam. So let's wait till it gets dark and I'll show you how much light it puts off. Okay, so got a little bit of residual light coming off of the porch. So let's see how much it... So here's the old one. So lights it up pretty good. And there's the new one. So you can see how much more light that puts off. So I hope that helps you make an informed decision. Have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe.